Hey everyone, welcome back to Joshua All Trades. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do Shou Sugi Bond, or my variation of it. Essentially, it's where you burn the wood, it helps protect the wood, and it gives it a really nice finish. We're not going all the way burnt, we're just doing a light burn and then sanding it smooth to get the type of finish that we want. I started doing this on my hammer handles because it looked cool, and then I did a birdhouse the other week, and when my friends saw what I was doing, they're building a house right now, and they said, hey, would you do our mantelpiece that way? And so I said yes, and so here we are. I went ahead and did a couple different types of burns and sent them pictures, and they decided on the darker, which I totally agree with. It looks awesome. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and sand it smooth and do some practice burns here on the back side just to make sure I got my rhythm down so that I don't overburn areas and underburn areas, and so it's somewhat smooth. You want some variation because it looks good, but other than that, yeah, I'm just going to start sanding and we'll get going. Alright, so got the bottom burned, sanded, and coated. This was rougher cut than the top, so I'm going to spend a little bit more time on the top sanding it to smooth it out before I burn it. I like the way it turned out. It is just a little dark. It still looks really good. I'm probably going to do a little bit lighter burn on the top, with it being the bottom. I wanted to try different levels of burning all the way throughout. So overall, I'm really happy with how this side turned out. So now we'll work on the sides that you'll see, and then we'll move on to the top. longer than I planned, but overall, I'm really happy with the results. Turned out great. I really love the look. I did the top a little lighter than the bottom so you could see some of the natural color coming through a little bit more. And yeah, overall pretty happy with it. I think they're gonna love it. I hope they're gonna love it. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed watching. If you like what you saw, please click subscribe. Catch you later.